my channel. Today we are going to learn 50 opposite words. So let's get started. So the first word is wide. इसका opposite word है narrow. The next word is white and its opposite word is black. Innocent, guilty, wet, dry, include, exclude, same, different, in, out, salt, sugar, import, export, harvest, plant, rural, urban, hard, easy, private, public, present, past, come, go, cold, hot, presence, absence, powerful, weak, cloudy, clear, light, dark, calm, excited, buy, sell, intelligent, silly, broad, narrow, inside, outside, above, below, good, bad, throw, catch, laugh, cry, north, south, wrong, right, tight, loose, little, much, lost, found, here, there, many, few, high, low, yes, no, small, big, up, down, left, right, easy, hard, early, late, less, more, far, near, give, take, old, young. So friends, these were 50 opposite words. So इस तरीके के opposite words का use हम daily अपने conversation में करते हैं. So I hope you all found this video useful. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video.